Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Rutuja Kamble from Sharad Institute of Technology. Today I am going to explain the concept of speech processing system. Before knowing the speech recognition technology, we should know why we use this system. Nowadays, speech recognition technology has become an increasingly popular concept in recent years. It allows documents to be created faster because the software generally produces words as quickly as they uttered, which is usually much faster than a person can type. In this video, we will elaborate on speech processing system, its purpose and how it works. Also, I will tell you its advantages, disadvantages and its applications. Firstly, we will see introduction of speech processing. What is speech processing? Speech processing is the study of speech signals and the processing methods of signals. The signals are usually processed in a digital representation. So, speech processing can be regarded as a special case of digital signal processing applied to speech signals. Speech recognition is the ability of devices to respond to spoken commands. It enables hands-free control of various devices and equipments. It also provides input to atomic translation and creates print-ready dictations. Now we will see the objectives of speech processing system. First is to understand speech as a means of communication, to represent speech for transmission and reproduction, to analyze speech for atomic recognition and extraction of information, and to discover some psychological characteristics of the talker. Now we will see its working. In speech processing system, speech recognition software works by breaking down the audio of a speech recording into individual sounds, analyzing each sound using algorithms to find the most probable word fit in that language and transcribing those sounds into text. The first thing a speech recognition system needs to do is to convert the audio signal into a form a computer can understand. This is usually a spectrogram. It's three-dimensional graph displaying time on the x-axis, frequency on the y-axis, and intensity is represented as color. The algorithms used in speech processing systems are male frequency Kapstrel coefficients MFCC and the linear prediction Kapstrel coefficients LPCC. And the softwares used for speech recognitions are Dragon Professional, Dragon Anywhere, Google Now, Google Cloud Speech API, Google Docs, Siri, Amazon Lex, etc. After working, we will see its advantages. Delivers a great customer experience while improving the self-service system's containment rate. Second, encourages natural human-like conversations that create more satisfying self-service interactions with customers. Automates what touch tone cannot by collecting dynamic data such as names and addresses, enables organizations to save agents for some critical tasks. This system also has some disadvantages. First is lack of accuracy and misinterpretation. Your voice recognition software won't always put your words on the screen accurately. Programs cannot understand the context of language the way that humans can, leading to errors that are often due to misinterpretation. Second is time cost and productivity. You might think that computerizing a process speeds it up, but this isn't necessarily true of voice recognition system, and you may have to invest more time than you expected into the process. Third is background noise interference. To get the best out of voice recognition software, you need a quiet environment. Systems don't work so well if there is a lot of background noise. They may not be able to differentiate your speech, other people talking, and other ambient noise, leading to transcription mix-ups and errors. And last is physical side effects. If you use recognition technology frequently, you may experience some physical discomfort and vocal problems. Now let's see applications of this system. Search for reports or documents on your computer. Create a graph or tables using data. Print documents on request. Make travel arrangements. Start video conferences. Real-time example of this system are Google Voice. Google Voice is a service that allows you to search and ask questions on your computer, tablet and phone. Digital Assistant, Amazon Echo, Apple Siri and Google Assistants use voice recognition to interact with digital assistants that helps answer to your questions. These are the applications of this system. I hope you understand all these points, and thank you for watching this video.